Venipuncture is a fancy word that generally implies placing a needle into a vein. There are two main reasons for which our technicians might need to perform a venipuncture on your pet. Those are drawing blood for a laboratory test or placing an intravenous catheter, also known as an IV for short. You may notice that your pet has returned to you with a little bit of alcohol over the area from which the blood was drawn. This helps keep the area clean by killing off many microorganisms on the skin, and actually helps the technician see the vein better. Another technician must also be available to keep your pet calm and still during the whole process. You see, a lot of the veins that our patients have are barely thicker than the width of a hair. Therefore, any motion can ruin the entire venipuncture. Additionally, our technicians must be familiar with the different sites from which they can draw blood in each of the species that we see. However, the technician's job does not just end at the venipuncture. After collecting the blood, they'll need to either get it ready to be sent out to another lab, or take it to our very own laboratory where they can insert it to one of the machines to perform various diagnostics. Another option is that the technician can do a manual examination to get the doctor results as well. On the other hand, an IV catheter is a type of venipuncture that gives us access to the vein for much longer, at least for the length of a surgery or for a hospital stay. It is our preferred method for giving fluids, as well as certain medications, especially for emergency resuscitation. Since it stays in longer, the technician will have to secure it properly, as well as monitor it to make sure it does not clot. Otherwise, the same general guidelines that we follow for all venipuncture still applies here. But, in the end, it is our technician's job to keep the whole process as quick and painless as possible.